Welcome to the Parsimony tutorial series. In this video, we'll be diving into one of the most crucial financial reports in any accounting system, the trial balance. The trial balance helps you ensure that your books are balanced and provides a snapshot of your company's financial position at any given time. To get started, navigate to the accounting module on your Parsimony dashboard. This module contains all the tools you need for managing your company's financial transactions and reports. Once you're in the accounting module, click Financial Reports. Here, you'll find a variety of reports designed to help you analyze your company's financial health. In the Financial Statements section, click on Trial Balance. The Trial Balance report summarizes the debit and credit balances of all ledger accounts, helping you verify that your books are in balance. Now, you'll see a set of filters at the top of the report. These filters allow you to customize the report according to specific criteria. You can filter by date range, company, cost center, and more. For this example, let's set the date range to the current fiscal year and select your company from the drop-down. Once your filters are set, click on Reload button to generate the report. The trial balance report is now displayed on your screen. The report is organized by account, showing the opening balance, total debits, total credits, and closing balance for each account. Notice that the total debits and total credits at the bottom of the report should be equal. If they are, it means your books are balanced. If not, you'll need to investigate the discrepancies. To dig deeper into any account, simply click on the account name. This will take you to the ledger report for that account, where you can see all the transactions that contribute to the balances shown in the trial balance. Need to share this report with your team or save it for your records? Just click on the Print, PDF or Export button at the top. And that's it. You've successfully generated and reviewed the trial balance report in Parsimony. This report is a powerful tool for ensuring your financial records are accurate and up to date. Thank you for watching this tutorial.